cream yogurt, and scoop. Today, cream yogurt drop and see. The white akche tok tok tuji mio on the hot gukja bingle bingle spin around. It's like donguran gariadak, it seems to be cooked no root. Parksage gurumio looks like being cooked golgaru. At that moment, the nebu heat makes it tojim once more. After tojigo, dizipigo, tojigo, dizipigo. Yogurt is soon, it's gom jakma and burning black. Cheese sauce and scoop. Today, cheese sauce drop and see. As soon as it drop, dizipki Sijan start. It's like shoulder dancing machine and dizipki once again. Oh! No mu taborin, looks like hodak. It's round shape yuji hanche, joggle boiling. It pants run to sabang euro and oil sick bunchul. Eventually, it's on fire and it's burning all of the oil that's left. Red wine and scoop. Today, red wine drop and see. The rose color bangwool begin to dance up and down. As the moisture jung ball, it's getting smaller and smaller. The color as well, jum jinye jim. As soon as I said, it's boom, and boon yul into the dugay. It tong like a couple dance and close to each other. Boom, once again. The left many bangwool running around in Sarazim. Chocolate milk and scoop. Today, chocolate milk drop and see. Usually, ultra high-end special premium luxury sugar drink make big bubbles. Same as choco wuyu. Inside voogle, it make go poom. As the moisture jung ball, it's getting kunzuk. You can see tanning black and looks jum Nelson Hazem. Wow! Dang Boon and Danbak Jill is namum? Gaygo saying good job, choco wuyu. Barley tea and scoop. Today, barley tea drop and see. It's boiling inside and make the white kipo. Seems to be not much difference from sangsu. When I was young, vuglel in the don de giri don dekman. Yes, that's the boricha. At first, the brownish bangwool. It's getting too young and smaller. As it nalshin, the movement becomes more walbalay jim. Yo-ri, jo-ri jumping together. Eventually, it doesn't have wenjak. And disappear.